download Castle app on Android. So first of all, make sure that you have a good Wi-Fi and free space on your phone, because the app, it will take 100 megabyte on your phone space. Now after that, go to Play Store, click on it. Now click on search. Now in the search bar, write Castle app like this. Click on search. Now choose the first one, click on it. Now click install, and you wait some seconds. Now after the installation is finished, as you can see, now just a quick scan in the app. Now click open, and now you have the Castle app on your phone or on your Android, and you can hit this button just like this. Click OK, and now you can play the game easy. So this is how to download Castle app on Android. I hope you find this video helpful, and you do please consider to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.